Welcome to World Prism. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. Our solar system often feels predictable. An orderly dance of planets, moons and asteroids, all following paths we've charted for centuries. The sun rises and sets. The planets orbit in their familiar patterns, and even comets and meteors, though dramatic, are part of a cosmic routine we've come to expect. But every so often, the universe reminds us how little we truly know, when something truly alien arrives, shattering our sense of cosmic normalcy. On July 1, 2025, the Atlas telescope in Hawaii picked up a faint, fast-moving object on the edge of our solar system. It was quickly designated 3I Atlas, making it only the third confirmed interstellar visitor in human history, an object not born in our solar system but traveling from the vast unknown between the stars. At first, astronomers thought it was just another comet, destined to pass by at a safe distance, its icy core glowing gently as it neared the sun. But as observatories around the world turned their instruments toward this mysterious traveler, the data began to tell a different story, one that was far stranger than anyone expected. 3. Atlas wasn't just large, it was enormous, with a level of activity and energy that defied all previous observations. Jets of gas and dust erupted from its surface, and its brightness fluctuated in ways that made no sense. Its emissions, its unpredictable trajectory, and its sheer scale didn't fit any known comet profile. It moved with a purpose, as if guided by forces we didn't understand, and its chemical signature was unlike anything seen before. The initial excitement among scientists at the prospect of studying a new interstellar object quickly turned to unease. The more they learned, the more questions arose, and the less sense it all made. News of 3I Atlas spread rapidly, captivating the public and dominating headlines. This wasn't just another cosmic rock, it was a mystery that would soon grip the world, sparking debates, theories, and even fear. The question on everyone's mind shifted from, where did it come from, to, what is it? Was it a natural object or something more? Could it pose a threat, or was it a messenger from the stars? The arrival of 3I Atlas marked the beginning of a scientific enigma, one that would challenge everything we thought we knew about our place in the universe, and force us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. To truly grasp the concern surrounding 3I Atlas, we need to start with its staggering speed. An astonishing 210,000 kilometers per hour. This makes it the fastest interstellar object ever recorded, moving through our solar system at a pace that defies easy comprehension. For context, that's nearly 60 times faster than a bullet fired from a rifle, and even faster than most spacecraft ever launched by humanity. Its velocity alone set it apart from anything astronomers had previously observed, immediately raising questions about its origins and the forces that propelled it to such incredible speeds. Its hyperbolic path through the solar system confirmed that it was just passing through, not bound to our sun by gravity. This trajectory is a telltale sign of an interstellar visitor, an object that originated far beyond our own solar neighborhood, traveling for millions or even billions of years before crossing our path. On July 21st, 3I Atlas made its closest approach to Earth, but even then, it remained a distant traveler, passing by at a staggering 270 million kilometers away. That's nearly twice the distance from Earth to the Sun, a reminder of just how vast the scale of space truly is. But the real shock for astronomers came not just from its speed or trajectory, but from its sheer size and mass. Most interstellar objects detected so far have been relatively small, but 3I Atlas was in a league of its own. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope estimated its nucleus could be up to 5.6 kilometers wide, making it larger than many known comets and asteroids in our own solar system. But the surprises didn't stop there. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed a mass of 33 billion tons, an astonishing figure, over 1,000 times more massive than any previous interstellar object ever detected. This was a cosmic heavyweight, unlike anything scientists had expected to find drifting between the stars. The existence of such a giant raised profound questions. How could an object of this size survive the harsh conditions of interstellar travel? Bombarded by cosmic radiation and micrometeoroids for eons? And even more puzzling, how could it have been ejected from another star system in the first place? The numbers simply didn't add up. The data challenged everything astronomers thought they knew about the formation and journey of interstellar objects. 3I Atlas was a true behemoth, and its improbable properties forced scientists to reconsider their theories, pushing them to explore radical new explanations for how such a colossal traveler could exist at all. As the data poured in from observatories around the world, the mystery of 3I Atlas only deepened. What began as a routine observation quickly turned into a scientific enigma, capturing the attention of astronomers, physicists, and even the public. The more researchers studied this interstellar visitor, the more it seemed to defy expectations and challenge our understanding of what's possible in the cosmos. Its movement through space showed non-gravitational acceleration, subtle, persistent, and not explained by normal comet outgassing. Unlike typical comets, which are pushed by jets of vaporizing ice, 3I Atlas seemed to be propelled by something else entirely, as if an invisible hand was guiding its path. At Spain's cited observatory, astronomers detected a rhythmic gas jet, firing every 14 to 17 hours with remarkable regularity. This wasn't the chaotic venting seen in natural comets, but a pattern more reminiscent of a stabilizer or thruster, almost as if the object was correcting its course with deliberate intent. Spectroscopy revealed something even stranger: pure nickel emissions, with no trace of iron. In nature, nickel and iron are almost always found together, but here, the absence of iron was striking. This combination is rare in the cosmos, but it's common in industrial processes, raising questions about whether the object's composition was natural or engineered. Even more bizarre, 3I Atlas displayed an anti-tail pointing directly toward the sun, defying the usual behavior of comet tails. Surrounding it was a vast X-ray plasma bubble, detected by ESA's XMM Newton telescope, a phenomenon rarely seen, and never on this scale. The scale and precision of these features, sharp edges, geometric patterns, and consistent emissions, suggested something more than random natural processes at work. Scientists debated whether these could be the result of unknown physics, or if they hinted at something far more extraordinary. Each new anomaly nudged 3I Atlas closer to the realm of technology, and even science fiction. Was this object a relic of an ancient civilization, a probe sent from another star, or simply a cosmic oddity? The evidence was mounting, and the world watched as the line between natural wonder and intelligent design began to blur. The mounting anomalies triggered urgent debates among scientists. NASA's International Asteroid Warning Network launched a dedicated probe and coordinated global observations, an extraordinary response for a harmless comet. Enter Professor Avi Loeb of Harvard's Galileo Project, who argued that 3I Atlas might be advanced technology, a true black swan event. He warned against dismissing the artificial hypothesis out of habit or fear of ridicule. Loeb's theory, though controversial, explained the object's propulsion, stabilizers, pure nickel, and plasma shield as technological features. Suddenly, the idea of an alien probe was no longer just science fiction, it was a possibility the world had to consider. As speculation about 3I Atlas's origins spread, space agencies walked a tightrope, reassuring the public while downplaying anomalies. NASA's rare, globally televised press conference insisted, "It looks like a comet. It behaves like a comet. It is a comet." Yet, after the object's final Earth flyby, the ESA's JUICE spacecraft captured high-resolution images, then announced a 14-month delay in releasing them, citing thermal constraints. The explanation was met with skepticism and fueled conspiracy theories. Instead of calming fears, the data blackout created an information vacuum, quickly filled by suspicion and mistrust. With official reassurances falling flat and key data withheld, the internet erupted with rumors. Social media buzzed with claims that 3I Atlas was on a collision course with Earth. Real events, like a routine military meeting, were twisted into proof of a cover-up. Sensational headlines and fabricated quotes from scientists stoked panic. NASA and ESA scrambled to debunk the falsehoods, but their sober corrections were drowned out by viral doomsday stories. The 3I Atlas saga became a case study in how quickly misinformation can outpace the truth. Now, in January 2026, 3I Atlas is receding into the void, but its mysteries linger. Was it a bizarre natural object, or humanity's first glimpse of alien technology? The scientific community is split. Some demand extraordinary evidence. Others see the artificial hypothesis as the simplest answer. All eyes are on the delayed JUICE spacecraft data, set for release in February. Will it show a comet's battered surface or something engineered? Whatever the answer, 3i Atlas has already changed us, forcing us to confront our limits, our fears, and our place in the cosmos.